This is a statewide test of the Ohio Emergency Alert System in conjunction with Severe Weather Awareness Week in Ohio and originating from the State Emergency Operations Center in Columbus. This is only a test. The Ohio Emergency Alert System is designed to provide the public with timely warnings and emergency information. Had this been an actual emergency, you would have received instructions and information related to that emergency over this and other stations in your area. This concludes this test of the Ohio Emergency Alert System.
Okay, test anytime soon. WKBC is playing Christmas music.
During potentially dangerous weather situations,
He didn't go off again. Oof.
receivers can be automatically activated by the signal to warn of the impending hazard. Tests of the signal and receiver's performance are normally conducted by the National Weather Service between 11 a.m. and noon each Wednesday. If there is a threat of severe weather, the test will be postponed to the next available good weather day. Reception of this broadcast, and especially the warning alarm tone, will vary at any given location. This variability, normally more noticeable.
I just shot the battery door down.
The transmitter can occur even though you are using a good quality receiver in good working order. The warning alarm tone will be activated for hazardous watches and warnings for the following counties: Champaign, Clark, Delaware, Fairfield, Fayette, Franklin, Greene, Hocking, Knox, Licking, Madison, Marion, Marl, Muskingum, Erie, Tickaway, and Union. This concludes the weekly test of weather radio station KIG, 86 Columbus, Ohio. And now the extended forecast.
Well, I was late on this.